Sakshi. This is my YouTube channel and welcome back to another brand new video. बहुत सारे लोग इंस्टाग्राम पे मुझे बोल रहे थे डेली व्लॉग करो तो दिस इज़ अ डेली व्लॉग अ नॉर्मल रूटीन बट दो तीन चीज़ें हैं. विनी का आज ऑपरेशन है. वी डोंट वांट हर टू बिकम मम्मा so we're getting her operated. So we got a blood test done, everything's normal. 10:30 is our appointment. I think it's 10 right now. Today is Sunday the 27th, but yeah, we're taking her now. And then her operation is for about 1.5 hours. So she'll be done around 12. Then we'll go and pick her up. I have to shoot for Pantene today. And look at my hair. I have to shoot for a hairband and look at my hair. Anyway, let's begin. Chalo, bye. Bye, Vinny. Chalo. I'm so sad. She doesn't even know. She's going to get operated. गुड मॉर्निंग बोलो मेरे चैनल को.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
ये देखो हम अब पियेंगे चाय. पापा हमारे साथ नहीं आ रहे. पापा लेने आएंगे हमको. हम अब ऑटो से जाएंगे. आप बाहर का व्यू देख लो. इट्स अ फ्राइडे. हमने स्विच कर दिया है. चाय से काढ़े पे आ गए हम लोग.
सुबह का काढ़ा कितनी वाड़ा इतना इसने इरिटेट किया है बिकॉज डॉक्टर टोल्ड अस नॉट टू गिव हर एनीथिंग टू ईट और ड्रिंक फॉर लाइक 12 आवर्स. सो शी हैजंट ईटन. पानी भी नहीं पिया इसलिए बहुत क्रैंकी हो गई है. पर ठीक है, इट्स फॉर द गुड. अब भी छोड़ दिया हमने विनी को वहाँ पर. वी हैव टू कम इन 1 hour टू पिक हर अप. मेरे से कंसेंट फॉर्म वो सब भरवाया और बहुत शी वॉज क्राइंग अ लॉट. शी नोज दैट. उसको देख के पता चल जाता हम कहाँ हैं. तो उसको पता चल गया कि हम डॉक्टर के पास आए. तो ऑटो से भी उतर नहीं देती. एंड वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू व्लॉग विद हर. सो वी आर गोइंग होम नाउ. और फिर 1 घंटे बाद हम गाड़ी से आएंगे डैड के साथ टू पिक हर अप. सो यप. It's so hard with this mask. Now that we're home, फटाफट कुछ खा लेंगे क्योंकि instead 11:45 आ जाओ लाइक 1 घंटे के अंदर. So we'll have to rush back again. So we're going to quickly eat. मैं फटाफट से I'll complete eating, finish eating, then we can head to get Vinny. I was saying I'm eating eggs. I'm sorry I'm eating and talking, but I'm eating eggs and I feel so weird because ऐसा कभी नहीं होता कि विनी आके परेशान नहीं करती मुझे. Like first time in 10 months she's not at home and I can't explain. It's not a good feeling. Let's see. 11:38 हो रहा है. हम निकल गए विनी को लेने को. We are going to take Vinny back.
पापा पहली बार आ रहे हैं डॉक्टर के पास.
मैं बार जा चुका हूँ.
जरा भी नहीं. He's coming for the first time.
पहले बार
आ चुके हैं लेकिन फिर गाड़ी में बैठे रहते.
पहले बार
मतलब हाँ बराबर नहीं आए हैं पर सिर्फ गाड़ी में बैठ रहे थे.
उसको
back after getting operated. She's fine. She's back home.
पापा नीचे संभाल के चलना. We are back home. We were very scared. बहुत डर लगा उसको वैसे देख के. The first time she's crying. I'm done crying. So अभी they have told us to keep her down only, bed पे नहीं, क्योंकि उसका anesthesia 9-10 बजे तक रहेगा रात को. And अभी कल से 5 days we have to take her for medicines, painkillers and all of that. So yeah, she is of course unconscious. She's sleeping. Told us that she'll cry. We don't have to forcefully feed her and a lot of things. So yeah, let's see. Now we have to continue with our day. The doctor has asked her to sleep in a certain way. इतना एनेस्थीसिया में मैं उसको वैसे सुला रही हूँ, फिर भी वो वापस टर्न हो जा रही है. In no mood whatsoever, but brand deadlines, we have to get the shoot done, so we'll try ki fatafat I'll wrap it up. So I'll quickly do my makeup, something basic. Quickly gonna tell you what Pantene sent me. So they sent me a shampoo, conditioner and this oil replacement. So I have used Pantene shampoo and conditioner, but I hadn't used this oil replacement, and since last 2-3 weeks I switched it. So I, after taking hair shower, like head bath, I use a scrunching cream. This is the one that I use. Like it's a smoothing cream, so I take some and then I scrunch my hair. So when I got this, I replaced it and I checked how does it feel. So it's very nice. I honestly, like, this is expensive. This is for like $600, but this is for like 170, and it's pretty much the same. So I just take some on the. You can also use it on the days like you haven't taken a head bath. If you want some like a smooth texture to your hair, you want to scrunch it, you can still scrunch it. It's an oil replacement, so you can use it as a conditioner, you can use it as a serum, you can use it as a heat protectant, and you can also put it for like 30 minutes. You can use it as a mask and then take a hair wash. So you can use it in many ways. So if you are looking for a smoothing cream, then I think this is a very nice. Like, I opened the door, she got up and she's looking at me. So we did this setup. Shubham gave his plants. I'll sit there. This is a small. Ashum, can बाकी सब lights बंद करना भाई रवि. Let's see how this looks. It's a pack-up. जल्दी हो गया हमारा पैकअप.
बदली मध्ये हेच करायला पाहिजे होतं.
बोलते लॉ के बदले में यही करना चाहिए था. So guys, I washed my face quickly, changed. I'm talking softly because she's sleeping here and someone has to be there with her, because while I was shooting outside, if you all saw in the time lapse, all of us ran. That's because she came outside.
Like, she was not alone in this room. I told dad to sit until I was shooting, but I think dad fell asleep and she came till the hall. So the doctors have told us to lock the room and be with her inside, so that even if she wants to walk, she doesn't go outside, because they have asked her to rest. So it's currently 3 and my mom had gone out. She's coming home now, and this girl is literally giving me a heart attack, but we'll see, because she's walking. Doctor said her anesthesia's the asar should be around till 9 o'clock, but she's walking now already. We'll see how this goes. Until then, I'll eat something. I'll see you guys maybe in the evening. We'll have to study, edit, lot of things. So yeah. So guys, Pantene people did not ask me to vlog for this or anything, so there's nothing about it. But if you really want to buy, if not the shampoo, conditioner, but still if the oil replacement, it's very nice. It's amazing. You can carry it in your bag also. Whenever your hair feels frizzy, just apply it. It's really nice. If you guys want to purchase it, I'll put the link in the description so you all can go and purchase. Don't forget to message them saying that you're through my reference, and yeah, that's about it. I'll make sure that I put the link in the description. It's 4 p.m. now, and she was tossing and turning, and she came and slept like this, and since then she's not moving. Can you see her hands moving? Like, that's happening with her. So since an hour I'm sitting like this. So it's currently 5 p.m. She's sleeping. The reason why I'm sleeping next to her is because, like in the last clip you saw that she was in my lap. I go out for 2 seconds to take my food and she's on the door. And while getting her back, I don't know what happened. She started barking, crying. She started removing her bodysuit, like the surgical suit. And then she climbed on me. She jumped and she was holding tight. And she saw mom, so she felt a little normal. And I've put her back to sleep now. So the moral of the story is that I can't get up. I have to be next to her. Winnie उठ गई है थोड़ी थोड़ी. Winnie सबको hi बोलो. She's still very weak. She tried to like get up. It's currently 8 and we tried to walk her like here only, and it's okay, Aramat. I think she wants to sleep over there. Oh wow. Finally हम ये position में आ गए. She got up 3-4 times, started biting this part. I had to make it a little tight. Mummy, I was vlogging. Say hi to everybody.
Hello.
I told you all mom had gone out for some work and she came pretty late. तो अभी मम्मी बैठी है यहाँ पर वीनी से बात कर रही है. Hey, chocolate. चॉकलेट दो.
मैंने डॉटर्स डे के लिए प्रॉन्स फ्राई लाया इन लोग के लिए 1 hour 15 minutes.
तो सारी डॉटर्स को हैप्पी डॉटर्स डे तो बोल दो.
तो मेरे अकॉर्डिंगली तो मेरे तो डॉटर्स डे डेली का डॉटर डे है.
अरे सबको विश कर दो.
विश यू ऑल अ हैप्पी डॉटर्स डे.
गॉड ब्लेस यू बोल दो.
गॉड ब्लेस यू.
उठ के भाग के बाहर आके सोफे पे बैठ गया.
साक्षी मेरे रूम में ना मेरे बेड पे सोने जा रही थी.
हाँ?
मेरे बेड पे सोने जा रही थी. कभी भी किसी को I swear तो कुछ भी बोलेंगे ना.
हाँ बोलो मम्मी.
सब ठीक रहे घर में.
बोलो.
कभी भी किसी के पास जाते हैं ना हम लोग जो तकलीफ में है, दर्द में है, इन शॉर्ट पेशेंट है, तो उसको हमेशा हीलिंग टच दिया जाता है कि आप अच्छे हो जाओगे. विनी आप अच्छी हो. विनी आपको दर्द नहीं.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. That's all for this vlog. If you like this vlog, then please like,
Share.
and subscribe
to my YouTube channel, which is Sakshi Barkar, and I'll see you super soon.